So here we have the Horizon Hobby Axial SCX 24 C10 1967 C10 Chevy. Just look at that now. Most of the stuff the Axial produce at the 124 scale is pretty much the same. All the boxes, the worm gears, the metal axles, which are only metal on the inside, not the outside. Don't ever get confused with that. There's the tick because I picked the green. I get the darker colour body one. Looks really cool in the box. Just look at that. Doesn't it sit well? Really do like that now. So here we have the handset or controller, or what you guys want to call it. Looks pretty good. Nice and lightweight. Looks great for one-handed driving. Nice rubber on the wheel there.
Good size for
quite like the feel of that.
One-handed
Very
driving.
nice. Got your protective cover there. Got all your dials and your trims and stuff.
Switches there for your different channels.
Excuse me. There is
Fine button.
a button on there, or a switch on there that says LMH, low, medium and high. See it zoomed in now. That will allow for different types of speeds when you're crawling or trailing. Overall, like that. Really good. Really impressed with that. I'll keep that on there. I won't ever change it, I don't think. Really nice.
Obviously we got the
Got your standard booklet for AA batteries, which is really good. You don't get that a lot in RTR trucks. A few little accessories there, spare body clip, hex key, decal. Gotta love a decal. Pretty detailed books these, to be fair. They're quite thick in loads of different languages.
Also comes with the...
There comes the USB LiPo charger.
There.
Plenty of those.
And we got some additional
Also you've got the roll bar on the back and the light kit on the top. It's only a mimic light kit. You could probably drill them out, I suppose, and put your own LEDs in there if you wanted to. I'm sure people have done that. Overall, pretty good. May put that on a bit later on.
Then we have the truck itself.
The Chevy C10 Axial SCX 24. So, taking the body pins off. Hinged, just like the Jeep Gladiator and many others. However, would have been nice, I thought, to have the Velcro underneath, just like the Gladiator and the Bronco and stuff, which will eliminate these. But you know, overall quite impressed. No inside interior. However, we can soon make a little something there and get some figures in there. Nice little tyres on there and rims. That looks really cool. I like them. Really nice. Suspension feels pretty good. There we go. Comes with the LiPo battery, which is a 2S. If I can get this open, one hand. 2S 350 milliamp, 30C rated, 7.4 volt battery. I've got spares of these as well anyway, so. Then we've got the electronics there, pretty good. Actually, don't really let people down in that way. AE6 ESC receiver box. Got a couple of 3 spare channels left, so that's not too bad. I do like this, the red Chevy badge on the front. Nice chrome bumper on there. Nice chrome bumper on the rear. That's really nice. Again, let's have a close up of these tyres. Nice and soft. Got good grip. Some decals on the back window there. Axial parts and service. Quite like that. Another decal, Chevy decal there. Quite like that. Loving the colour. Chevrolet. get this out to play on the course outside. So we switch back to the controller there, now it's switched on with the batteries in. So we've got the LMH, that's the low, medium, high. That's high, obviously. Switch it all the way down to low. Definitely going to make good progress on the course with that function. Here we go, little bench test. Got the LED lights on. I've got it in the high gear at the moment. Let's just have a look, see how she goes. Driving one-handed, of course. Yeah, pretty good, I like that. That's really good. Let's give it another go. Let's give it a go on this way around. Let's get up close and have a look at these tyres. Super soft, super grippy. Suspension looks quite good. Yeah, there we go. Let's get it outside on the course. Oh, here we go. Driving one-handed. The new C10. See how it performs. And we've rolled it straight away. However, we'll carry on, it's all fun. Bit of tying up there, nothing too dramatic. Nothing too dramatic at all. Let's go around this side, see how it does. Haven't really marked anything out on this course yet, just for gates or anything like that. So just in the testing process. Now we got the Jeep Gladiator and we got the C10 to play with. Pretty good. Working really well. Yeah. Tyre's got good grip. Hang up there. It's alright. Overall impressed with that. There we have it. The new Axial. It's new for us. It's not new for you guys. New Axial SCX 24 C10 Chevrolet RTR. So, stay tuned for another episode where we're going to bring out some of the obstacles that we've made and hopefully run the Gladiator and the C10 together. Little competitions here and there. We'll be hopefully purchasing an SCX 24 once a month. There'll be videos in between, so stay tuned and hope you enjoyed the video. Go buy one today.